Welcome. This practice is here to bring you steadiness, safety, and calm. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, and let your body settle. Allow your breath to soften and let yourself arrive fully in this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long breath out. When you're ready, let your eyes close softly. Not forced, just a gentle closing as if you're turning inward. Feel the weight of your body being held by the surface beneath you. Notice any places where you can let go a little more. Releasing the jaw, softening the belly, relaxing the hands. With each breath, allow yourself to settle deeper into stillness. Let the body begin to quieten. And give yourself permission to simply be here. We'll breathe slowly together now, silently counting the breath in your mind. We'll inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 3, exhale for a count of 6, and hold again for a count of 3. Begin by taking a smooth, steady inhale. Hold gently at the top and release in a long, slow exhale. And hold. Let's continue like this. A quiet, intentional inhale. A soft pause. And a lengthened exhale that helps loosen the grip of anxious thoughts. Followed by a gentle hold at the bottom. Let each breath bring more steadiness. Let each exhale soften the mind. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations, warmth, tingling, or stillness. Let your awareness move down to your forehead. Soften the space between your eyes. Move down to your cheeks. Your mouth. Your throat. your shoulders. Allow them to melt downward, releasing pressure. Let awareness travel into your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Now bring attention to your chest. Feel each breath rising and falling naturally. Shift your awareness down to your belly. Let it expand gently as you inhale. And soften as you exhale. Move into your hips. Your thighs, your knees, further down into your calves, your ankles, your feet, feel the weight of your feet grounding you. Feel the strength of your body exactly as it is. Enough, worthy, and whole. Imagine gentle roots extending from the soles of your feet into the earth. They grow slowly, calmly, anchoring you deeper with every breath. With each inhale, the roots strengthen. With each exhale, your anxiety loosens and softens. Feel the earth sending a steady, supportive energy back up through the roots. Into your feet. Your legs. Your whole body. Let that grounding warmth rise into your chest. Your shoulders, your mind, feel yourself held, supported, safe. begin to notice your breath again. Its natural rise and fall. Feel the support beneath you. Your body resting with more ease than before. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Inviting movement back into your body. If your eyes are closed, slowly let them open. Take a moment to recognize the calm you've created. A calm you can return to whenever you need it. Thank yourself for taking this time. You've grounded your body, settled your breath, and eased your mind. Carry this steadiness with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.